Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, yet again, it's another Monday, and that means it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. So how's everybody doing? I got something from China. Not China, Gina. Isn't that how he pronounces it? Gina? Anyway. Really excited about this one. This is a brand that I've enjoyed a few times in the past. I found it up in Canada, and it's called Baixiang, I believe. Baixiang. Artificial spicy beef flavor. Yes. Take a gander at the lid. And take a gander. Whoa! Look at that bowl. Where's the line? Doesn't even have one? No. But it's got some big old ingredients. Believe me. You'll better believe it. Wearing a red shirt today. I hope I don't die. Look at that. Wow, that is a large amount of noodle block. Came with a folding fork. I already folded it. This is a folding fork that refuses to unfold. I don't use them anyways, but I like to point out, you know, if there is a utensil offered freely, it's a nice thing, you know. Some of you want that. A lot of you, if you're having a noodle in a bowl, you're not in the kitchen, you're out and about doing something, possibly lunching at your business or factory or nuclear silo, I don't know. Or at what they call a break room. I've heard of these things. I know what a break room is. I'm being facetious. There's powder seasoning base. And then finally we have a paste. I'm gonna knead it. There we go. What a day! It's only Monday, and I'm already like, dude, wow. And I can't blame the children. So they're doing, well, it's really nice because he's got the online preschool now because it's done by the school district. And it's special needs stuff, and it's really, really top quality, super awesome people in the school district here. It's really cool. And we consider ourselves lucky to be able to live in an area where we get good quality schooling stuff. I like that. And he enjoys it thoroughly. And then in comes in this COVID crap, and you know, I'm sure a lot of you parents are at home dealing with the same deal. My kids don't seem to like spending all this time at home. Which is kind of funny. You'd think kids would just be like, sweet! Don't have to go anywhere, yeah! I can do pretend. Kind of pretend like I'm school. Like I'm doing the school. You know? 3 minutes. And that's been the thing I've heard the most part. It's like a lot of districts are like, yeah, here's some flyers, do those. That's your school. You won't be graded on it, you know. By the way, we're gonna let you finish off this year, and you know, next year when we come back, yeah, it's kind of a weird scene. But the first, he goes for all day preschool, which is rad. So there's 2 sessions. There's the AM and the PM session, and one's at 9 something in the morning, and one's at 10 something in the morning here. And I do them with my phone. I go Zoom meeting and hold it up so they can watch, and with the teachers and other kids. And it works out pretty well. Well, today, Miles wasn't so into it. And 50 cents off Oreos. The treat of the devil. Oh. Can't just eat just one, you know. But anyway, he just wasn't into it. And little bits here and there, but finally it just became like really lame. Maybe he'll do better tomorrow. But it's not the same, you know. It's like he got to get away from his little sister. Now he gets to hang out with his little sister all day long. They're good together. They care about each other, but everybody needs some space sometimes, you know. No space. None. It used to be there was a little space. He'd get to go to school and then he'd come back and then have some space before she woke up. But kind of done away with naps for her. So 50 cents off root beer. I don't want any root beer. We went to the Flower World in Maltby today, or Saturday. Got a bunch of stuff. I'm going to be doing an intro pretty soon, showing off my wife's wonderful flower garden she has out on the deck. And McCormick black pepper. Wow. And one thing you might notice is over here, there's a lot less of what there used to be. That palette from Sautau is all but gone. I'm like, it took months. Cottonelle bath tissue. Okay, so nothing, no freebies, not even free ticket thing that I usually throw away. Here, though, is our big freaking Baixiang noodle bowl. Look at that, folks. Wow. That's a lot of food. This is one of those where the noodles just end up all bleached looking, as you can see. There's no way that they'll just hang out together. They're just always... Oh wow, I'm getting a strong Szechuan pepper hit. That I did not expect. I got 2 of these. This one came from 99 Ranch. First time I ever saw this brand there. This is the spicy Szechuan, spicy beef, artificial spicy beef. And the other one is a pickled cabbage beef. So, both very common flavors. So yeah. Cheers. Wow. very strong Szechuan pepper hit. Especially when it goes down the wrong pipe. Ooh, yeah, Szechuan pepper and wasabi are a couple of my least favorite things to have that go down the wrong way and tickle the back of my throat. But this is good. And despite the way these noodles look, these are good noodles. They hydrated well. A little touch on the spongy side on the back end, but I'm pretty happy with it. Oh, this is a lot of food. This is like a big freaking bowl of noodles. Put it all in here. Alright, and then we need our old buddy Rotato. Rotato! I've had people ask me lately, oh, is that a thing that is it like a food warmer? No, it just simply rotates food. What are you kidding me? It rotates food. Its name is Rotato. It's to give it that little extra bit of class. Everything's classier when it rotates on a tray. Wow, that is a lot. Okay. Got some boiled beef here. Drop that in. Now it is no longer artificial, it is boiled beef in the mix. Although I could have probably, oh, that's a little too thick. I could have gotten hot pot beef, and then it could have just been dropped in without cooking, because the broth would be hot enough. From the pot, hot pot. Really reaching today. I'm kind of tired, to be honest. It's been a day. Now, fresh eggs this morning. Oh, now you. They look all right. I don't want all of that on there. Oh yeah, why not? Yeah, I think we're gonna stick with that. And then I've got some. This is gonna be my downfall. I had to get more toasted sesame seeds. Oh boy. Jesus. There we go. So yeah, there we are. Put a little bit of this on there too and call it good. All right. Well, I think it's time for Rotato to make it all better. Yeah. Oh, look upon the $1.99 bowl of noodles. It was an exceptionally good deal for me. I got them at the grocery store. It was very economic. All right, well, that was fun, wasn't it? I don't know if you noticed. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Only if it's positive. Have a good one. Bye.